Let's move on to discuss institutional interest in digital assets. Singapore and Asia Pacific aside, in general, there is a growing enthusiasm from institutional players to play a role in the blockchain and digital asset industry, from accredited investor funds to institutional custody providers, the latter of which is an area that I anticipate will continue to be a growing pie now and in the coming years. Binru, what trends and factors are you observing in institutional interest and engagement in digital assets in Singapore and across Asia Pacific?
In general, I've been helping financial institutions to understand blockchain, conduct pilots, but the traditional financial institute pace has been relatively disappointing. And there was a lot of POCs done. Maybe the POCs have now kind of a little better, but if I look at the last 10 years, I would say still disappointed with the adoption pace. It may look a little bit more optimistic now with potentially CBDC taking off in a much bigger way. But digitization of real world assets is it's just a bigger POC currently. I don't see that it will be launched in a big way. Financial institutions high chance will wait for CBDC to be launched. They will adopt they will take a wait and see kind of mindset. Maybe there's one or two JP Morgan, Citibank that's a little bit more forward looking, but still is not a big project. Still, a lot of them are small projects within the bank. Their core business, when your core business is too important, high chance you're not gonna put all that you have into something new. Yeah, so overall, and with the winter has kind of dragged already in the second year. From where I see is still slow for financial institutions to adopt. I am seeing though the startup ecosystems having some new wave of start, which is compliance related, protection of assets related, and these learnings are important when it comes to financial institute, because the whole startup ecosystem from speculative has gone into now a little bit more on protection of assets, custodies, solutions. And these are the right conversations to increase the comfort level of the financial institutions. So I see that wave a whole lot more, and that gave me some hope that financial institutions will quicken their pace a little. But currently, not yet.